Hey guys, are you want to buy best fuel pressure regulator? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best fuel pressure regulator that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 5, PQI Fuel Pressure Regulator. The PQI Fuel Pressure Regulator is a performance-tuned pressure regulator. The body of this pressure regulator is made up of a single aluminum billet which offers a good stiffness to the regulator body. The regulator offers adjustments of 60 to 85 psi pressure settings. This range can be extended by simply replacing the spring of the regulator. The regulator can be connected with a hose thanks to the standard ports. The inlet/feed port is a standard an 8-hole, and the return port has a standard an 6-hole, both threaded. These threadings provide a tight fit with the hose, thereby reducing the chances of leakage. The vacuum/boost port is also provided that allows a connection with the intake manifold. This helps the regulator to take feedback and adjust the pressure automatically to a 1:1 ratio. Now number 4, PTNHZ Racing Fuel Pressure Regulator. PTNHZ Racing Manual Adjustable Fuel Pressure Regulator is a sturdy pressure regulator. The body of this pressure regulator is made up of aluminum and hence offers good strength to the body. The pressure regulator is suitable for carburetors and can be used with fast fuel pumps. The pressure range of 1 to 5 psi might look lower, but it is more than enough for a carburetor fuel system. The maximum input pressure is limited to 7 psi, which comes in handy in performance modes of engines. The inlet and outlet ports come with standard threads which can fit an 8 hose perfectly. The pressure regulator is also provided with hose clips that clamp the hose to the ports and avoids any kind of fuel leakage. The kit also comes with a carburetor which is compatible with this pressure regulator. The adjustment of pressure is done by rotating the knob on the pressure regulator body. Our third product is AEM Adjustable Fuel Pressure Regulator. The AEM 25300BK High Volume Fuel Pressure Regulator is a performance-grade regulator. The pressure regulator is designed in a way that allows a wider pressure range setting. The lowest pressure setting is 20 psi, which can be increased to the maximum limit of the fuel pump capacity. You might be confused about how that is possible. Well, thanks to the interchangeability of the discharge ports, the regulator bypass capacity increases dramatically. The regulator comes with a barb fitting which helps in connecting a standard hose to the regulator ports. The ports of the AEM fuel pressure regulator are tapped to a standard size of 9/16-inch 6-in ports. This allows a tight fitting of the connecting hose and eliminates the leakage of fuel through loose gaps. It also helps in maintaining the pressure level of the regulator. Now our second product is WATERWICH Aluminum Fuel Pressure Regulator. The WATERWICH Aluminum Fuel Pressure Regulator is a no-nonsense pressure regulator. It is designed to offer a variable pressure change as per the changing engine conditions. The pressure can be adjusted from 0 to 100 psi, which is suitable for both performances as well as fuel-efficient settings. The inlet and the return ports are standard 6-in ports, while the gauge port is a 1/3/4-inch port. These allow standard fitting of the hose and pressure gauge. This fuel pressure regulator also comes with a pressure gauge which can be used to monitor the pressure reading. The standard size hose is provided for easy fitting with the ports. The hose are made up of woven nylon with stainless steel and aluminum material for extra durability. The pressure settings are easily adjustable. And now our last choice is AEROMOTIVE 13129 Regulator. AEROMOTIVE 13129 Fuel Pressure Regulator is one of the regulators which works with electronic fuel injection systems. This pressure regulator works on the 1:1 setting, which means the pressure regulator will convert fuel pressure equal to the intake manifold pressure. This helps in maintaining the correct air-fuel mixture even at higher engine speeds. The regulator pressure can be adjusted between 30 to 70 psi, which adapts to the uneven driving speeds. The pressure regulator is provided with 2 inlet and outlet ports as well as 1 return port. These ports are Orb 6 O-ring boss, which allows standard fitting size. 1 gauge port of standard 1/8-inch size is also provided to fit the pressure gauge for the maintenance process. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.